So how can you nurture or foster a relationship with yourself while trying to have a rigid emotion or a thought? Energy follows the least line of resistance given a chance, but if you stop it, it will take the tough path also. So your mind, if you stop your mind in one direction, it will hit you in another direction. Instead, give importance to yourself, which is bearing these emotions and thoughts. You are the power of discernment, the viveka. You are not even the viveka, you are the I am consciousness. Are you? You will experience that when you do the meditation. That's exactly the way. How should you have a relationship with yourself? Fantastic. I want you to understand. Before you understand how to have a relationship, you have to understand what is yourself. Are you the thoughts that you get? For example, this father of modern medicine, he used to say, I think, therefore I am. What does he mean? He says, I'm able to think and so I'm alive. But Sanatana Dharma insisted, only if you are alive you can think. Can you make a rock think? Basically, what is thinking according to science? Mind waves, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves can only be, broadcasted through life. Electromechanical, this stone cannot conduct electromagnetic waves of their own. So, no electrical equipment can have an electromechanical or electromagnetic wave on its own. It has to be generated. Yes or no? Energy has to be. The only thing that can give electromagnetic waves naturally is the life. So, are you that? No, because you are the life that is giving the thoughts. You are the life that is giving your emotions. What are you is pure. In your life, you keep saying, I am this, I am that. For before everything, you have a feeling within you, primarily, I am. मैं हूँ. That is the reason why Sanatana Dharma said, AhamBhramasmi. I exist. How do I exist? AhamBhramasmi. So, how to have a relationship with myself? Fundamentally, you are coming with an idea how to deal with my thoughts, how to deal with my emotions is what you are asking. When you say how to build a relationship with myself. But instead of asking how to deal with my emotions and thoughts, how to condition, control, maintain my thoughts. Because what happens is when your mind gives you a thought, you are naturally magnetized towards it. I like it. To feel a dislike towards it, it becomes very difficult. The moment you see something and feel I like it, now you can say I dislike it, but you will not honestly feel it. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? If you like a rose, it's easy to say I don't like rose. It's a lie, but you can't feel it. Yeah, in the same fashion. Now, once you dislike anything also, again building a like for it is impossible. So how can you nurture or foster a relationship with yourself while trying to have a rigid emotion or a thought? For example, something you get a thought. Am I clear with you? And you want to change the thought. You change it temporarily. I want to study. That's your thought that you developed. But when you are studying, that studying process, mind is a different mind. That time you will get distracted. You will say, I want to study how to deal with my thoughts, how to deal with my distractions. You invariably cannot deal with your distractions until otherwise you garner that strength within you that I am not this thought. You can only fix what you are not. You cannot fix what you are by being it. Fundamentally, so don't be your emotion. Understand when you have an emotion of anger, or when you have a thought of distress, or excitement, or happiness emotion, whatever it is. At that time also, if you observe, within you, there is a viveka, power of discernment within you. It says, yeah, but okay, this is not it. You are the observer for this emotions, these emotions and these thoughts that are coming in your body. They are coming in your body because your body is not able to generate it. It is your consciousness that is able to generate it. And your consciousness is an algorithm that you have built with your own experiences. So your experiences build an algorithm. Algorithm feeds experiences. Experiences feeds algorithm. Algorithms feed experiences. It is like, your social media, YouTube and all that. You do the SEO and you get the more reach, and your more reach creates more SEO. Yes or no? In the same fashion, our mind is doing constantly SEO. A scarcity mind is doing SEO for scarcity things. And you are getting scarcity thoughts. And now you intelligently ask how to deal with this kind of emotions and thoughts. Who is asking this question? It is that algorithm which wants to sustain that negative thinking. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Because Think and Grow Rich, a fantastic, very famous book. Many people who have become successful in their life attribute their success to such books. Think and Grow Rich helped me develop that mind. And a million people read that book and still living in scarcity. It is not the book that makes you rich. The book can show you the light. How to be. How to be. But most people, instead of holding on to that light, how to be, they hold on to the idea, thought, emotions. When you give importance to anything too much, that weighs your life down. Don't give too much importance to your mind. When your mind is excited, curious, and taking you to a direction, learn that strength, the ability. My dear mind, why do you want like this? Why is it like this? Why is it? Do you want it like this? Question your emotions, challenge your emotions. You have that power of discernment. Try to focus that you are that awareness which is having thoughts and emotions. Learn to develop that. See, human being cannot lift 150 kilos. There are people who have lifted 200 kilos. They have trained their mind, body. In the same fashion, you will say, I'm feeling that urge. And you want to go through that urge and ask how to deal with it. Don't deal with it. You can't deal with your problems. You can't deal with the power or gravity, the power of attraction. If you like something, if you want something, you create an urge within you. Fighting with the urge. For example, somebody is addicted to alcohol. You put him in a place where there is no alcohol whatsoever for 40 days. You put him in a place, 41 days, 42 days. Generally, people say, 41 days, if you do something, then, it's a habit forming thing. Good. So you take an alcoholic and put him in a place for 41 days, 45 days. After 45th day, if you leave him, he will run towards alcohol. Why? Remember, 41 days, if you anything do deliberately out of your choice, through your wish and through your determination, with an algorithm set that I am doing this to quit that past habit, then you can. For example, you are an alcoholic, you want to quit alcohol, you want to develop yourself positively, healthy and progressive way, then you decide, for that I am willing myself and I take up this austerity. I don't want that. And all through that 41 days of being sober, I tell myself, this is the best way. This is the happy thing. I want this to happen. This is what I love. This is what, when you are passionately telling it to yourself, it's being fed into your algorithm, mind. After 41 days, now naturally, now I'm not feeling like drinking comes to you. Why? You fed your algorithm. Remember one thing, if you want to think winner's mind, if you want to be or if you want to have a winner's emotional state, develop a gravity towards being a winner. You cannot fight your emotions or urges because they are autonomous in your system. So, how to deal with or how to develop a relationship with myself? Fundamentally, how to deal with my mind, how to deal with my emotions. Don't deal with them because remember one thing, energy follows the least line of resistance. Energy follows the least line of resistance, but it does not mean that it will take the toughest path. Water will flow through the slope. You stop it, it will flow through the, even steep incline also. Yes or no? It will overflow. Yes or no? Energy follows the least line of resistance given a chance. But if you stop it, it will take the tough path also. So your mind, if you stop your mind in one direction, it will hit you in another direction. Instead, develop that viveka, that I am consciousness, pure spiritual awakening within you, where you believe I am not this mind is coming through me, these emotions are coming through me. That I am consciousness that you experience within you, that is you. When you develop an algorithm for it, when you develop a passion for it, when you develop an urge which is not there, but you have to write that urge within you, you have to code yourself into it. And then your mind will start, the awareness within you will start giving more importance to you. Then you will have negative thoughts, negative emotions. But you are stronger than your negative thoughts and negative emotions, so they are automatically dealt with. You are living in a system where everything is happening autonomously. You're not asking your liver to produce bile. You're not asking your glands to produce anything. You're not asking, and you're not even caring about it, but still it's not happening. You are in an autonomous system where 99% of it is algorithm. Only the ability to feed that algorithm is conscious. So, what you consciously tell yourself, are you the mind? Are you the thoughts and emotions? No. In spite of failing, sometimes, say, you get a thought, I want to do this, I want to drink, I want to smoke. Urge. You may drink and smoke, but what are you telling to yourself, feeling to yourself, even when you are drinking and smoking at that time? If you feel this is something bad, I have to leave, then you tell it to yourself in a negative way. This will one day kill me. Then what are you telling to your mind? Kill me instead of stopping. What do you want to do originally? I want to stop. But what are you telling to yourself? Are you understanding? There are many alcoholics who say, this is bad, I have to leave, I have to leave, I have to leave, but I'm not able to leave. So what are they fundamentally trying to tell themselves? This is bad, I have to leave, but I'm not able to leave. Oh, my dear subconscious mind, it means I must stay. Bad should happen to me. So they keep telling it, they keep telling it, they keep telling it. I am not able to do, I am not able to do, I am not able to do. Be weak, be weak, be weak. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. This will have negative effect on me, this will have negative effect on me, is reverberating in the subconscious. An algorithm is built for ill health. So, in the same case, even if you are failing in life, feed the consciousness that you are that awareness which is bearing these emotions and thoughts. Give importance to yourself which is bearing these emotions and thoughts. You are the power of discernment, the viveka. You are not even the viveka, you are the I am consciousness. Are you? You will experience that when you do the meditation. That's exactly the way. Never Remember one thing, if you want to fight the bull, you have to hold the horns. In the same fashion, if you want to fight a very powerful bull called your mind, emotions, there is no other way than to hold on to your own true self. The first step is viveka, your power of discernment. But when you do the meditation, when you follow the true spiritual path of Advaita Vedanta, then you experience that I am consciousness. Hold on to it. And you may fail. After holding on to it, sometimes you will fall for the urges, but still continue to hold on to it. Over a period of time, the I am within you is the strength that will overcome and discipline your mind and emotions. God bless you.